Say good morning, Ariana. Say good morning. You got me out here walking around. You know, you want to ride ATV? You want to do something fun? Huh? Hey everybody, Eric back, Auto Replay, man. It's Saturday, no, it's Sunday actually, day before Labor Day. So not really trying to work that hard on Sunday or Labor Day, you know. So we're gonna have a little fun. Got my daughter out here. She's been taking me for like a little walk, and she's got an ATV. I'm gonna show y'all this ATV. It was my son's, and it was a 6-volt. And what we did, we converted it over to a 12-volt battery with a 7 hour, so it gives a little bit more juice and it goes a little faster. So she's never seen it as they come stock from the actual store. She's always seen it where it's been fast, so she's learned how to drive this thing. I'm gonna show you real quick. Baby, go. You know how to drive? Oh, come on. Hit the gas pedal. She hasn't even hit it yet. Come on. Come on. Yeah, my son, he went and cleaned the car. Yeah, it's looking pretty good so far. Do like a quick little walk around. Gotta knock some dirt off right here. Yeah, not a big deal. I wasn't really trying to get it spick and span right now, but for the most part, you know, it makes you want to finish it, you know what I mean? But grinding that floor pan is so doggone. It gets old, man. So, yeah, not too bad, not too shabby for like a quick wash. All right, let me see how I get her going. Hold on. Gets you going. All right, there you go. Come on. Yeah, you see that airplane way out there? Yeah, we like airport, so there's always planes, helicopters running through. Oh! I gotta keep an eye on this one. All right, come on. Hold on now. I think she's got to stop and go now. She just needs to learn how to turn around. Come on. Yeah, there you go. Now you need to learn how to hit the gas. There you go. You need to learn how to turn around. Come up here so I can show you. Turn, Ariana, turn. Turn. Stop, 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 stop. 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 Hold on, stop, stop, stop. You gotta learn to stop. Oh my God, back you up. All right, come on. Hit it. Oh, she's stuck in the grass. You gotta learn how to turn, baby. Come on. Hit it. Go. Hit the gas. You gonna hit it? No, it ain't dead. That happened to come loose. This thing goes pretty fast. Uh-oh. I'm gonna get it going by. Come on, hit it. Go, baby, go. Yeah, she's got a pretty good hand on this thing. Now, I think it's about to see. Power is going down a little bit, so it's not as fast. Stop, Ariana! Where you going? You see those beautiful butterflies? I can catch it flying away. All right, well, went ahead and got into the floor pan a little bit more with that wire wheel. Got a lot of the driver's side top portion done. I'm going to go ahead and spray some primer down because I know it's just letting it sit I misread the rust seal getting here today on Saturday. It won't get here till Wednesday. So I'm gonna go ahead and seal it with some primer for now. So it'll knock out, it'll stop some of the surface rust, and I'm probably gonna have to go back over it, but I don't want it getting any worse. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I've gotten done, and we'll go from there. So this is how clean it's gotten so far, and you can kind of see some of the surface rust, but I mean, I've gotten it, you know, pretty clean so far, you know what I mean? So kind of just waiting on the rust seal to get in here. But it's just like, you know, some of this surface rust, I want to go ahead and, you know, stop it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just, you know, just kind of wipe it up a little bit. I'm not trying to get it perfect for now. I'm just trying to kind of prevent some of this having to go back over it so much. So I'm gonna go ahead and shoot just some primer on this side and go from there. You know, I'm not trying to do it perfect right now, but just trying to get it going. And I got some automotive primer left over. I'm gonna shoot this. This thing's shooting everywhere. So let's go over. This should be pretty good stuff. Yeah, so far it's looking a whole lot better. I mean, it's looking good, but I definitely need to seal it a lot better than that. So this is just the prep. I'll probably go back over this definitely with that rust seal. I'm gonna see how this lasts real quick. I mean, this is just primer with a little bit of paint right here. So we'll see, maybe the primer with the paint works better than just, you know, the primer. We'll see and go from there. Let this dry for a little bit.